The ultimate goal of life, of course, is to please Vishnu, Haritoshanam, the worship of Vishnu, Vishnu Aradyate. Prabhupada says the Krishna consciousness movement is also performing Vishnu Aradhanam, worship of Krishna, according to the age. Payovrata was done in Satyuga, and that was the worship of Vishnu. Now we're worshipping Vishnu in this age. So the Payovrata was enunciated long, long ago in Satyuga. But in Kali Yuga, now, and that was the past, but now in the present, in Kali Yuga, the process accepted by ISKCON to open hundreds, and what is our process? The process of ISKCON is not to engage everybody in Payovrata, fasting from milk or drinking milk all day. But our process is to open hundreds. Prabhupada says that the process accepted by the Krishna consciousness movement, ISKCON, is to open hundreds and thousands of Vishnu temples to Radha and Krishna, Jagannath Balaram, Sitaram, Gauranitai, and so on. Performing deity worship in these temples is as good as a Payovrata recommended here. But in our ISKCON, Lord Vishnu is worshipped in every temple, not just for 12 days. Prabhupada makes this distinction. There's something similar and something different. There's some similarities between our ISKCON deity worship and Aditi's performance of the Payovrata. The difference is she only did 12 days Vishnu Radhanam during her Payovrata. But ISKCON in all our temples around the world, our Vishnu Radhanam is Chobis Ganta Radhanam, Chobis Ganta Vishnu Radhanam. 24 hours a day, Prabhupada says. But he says, okay, Aditi performed her Payovrata for 12 days and did Vishnu Radhanam. But in our Krishna conscious movement, ISKCON, Lord Vishnu is worshipped in every temple according to a schedule of 24 hours of engagement in performing kirtan, the chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, offering palatable food and distributing this food to Vaishnavas and others. If members of the Krishna conscious movement, which means members of ISKCON, if they stick to these principles, these 3 principles of Vishnu Radhanam, 24-hour kirtan, it's very interesting.